No use going in there to clean up. Let them cool off a bit. You better just write that report.
It was all connected. The murder of Senator Gate, the cleaners, the inner circle, Vinnie Gognitti. I had to make Winterson see it. Winterson's phone was ringing. She wasn't at her desk. Winterson's phone.
Better get Winterson.
Number one, thank you. You may step back.
I wanted to talk to Winterson's witness once she was done with him. I needed to talk to Mona. Behind bars, she wasn't going anywhere before I'd get some answers. The cells were downstairs.
Want to get to the lockup? Just press the buzzer by the door. Petersburg will
Payne
buzz you
here.
in.
I need a statement from Mona Sachs.
Sorry, Payne. She's upstairs in a lineup.